we're going to look at how to record vocals in Cubase 14. I mean the advanced music production system. You ready? Let's do this right after the intro. If you open Cubase for the very first time, you're gonna see something like this. So today we're gonna look at how to record your vocals in Cubase 14. All right, over here you can browse through the recent projects, recording, scoring, production. All right, so if you are aiming for a specific genre, you can just browse through some presets here and also mastering. Now I'm gonna click on more, and next thing I want you to pay attention is use default location. If you toggle this is gonna save all your project to a default location which comes from Cubase 14 itself. You can actually toggle this or select prompt for project location, and this is the best one that I'm gonna advise you to stick to, so that you always select the particular location you want to save your project. All right, it's super simple, and you can actually create a folder under this specific default location. All right, something like maybe Cubase project like this, then hit accept. All right, and it's gonna create a folder under this location. But the best advice I'm gonna tell you is always toggle this one, prompt for project location, so that you choose the location that you want to save that particular project, and this is gonna help you navigate your project simple. So next thing we're gonna do is to click on create empty, and over here as you can see the project I have created is Cubase 14 project, and we can select this particular project by hitting select folder. All right, super simple. And guys, you're gonna see something like this. Don't panic, it's simple to navigate through. So first thing first, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your audio interface. Then next, I'm going to show you how you can create recording tracks and record your vocals in Cubase 14 if you are a beginner. But don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. All right, now let's look at how to link your audio interface. To link your audio interface, all you need to do is to click on studio over here, then go to studio setup. All right, and that's gonna pop up. Next thing is to click on audio settings, and over here you can click ISO driver and select your audio interface. Mine is the AutoTune Pro, so I'm gonna select that. Then you can keep or switch. Right, do you want to switch the ISO drivers? You can keep or switch, but I'm gonna click on switch. All right, super simple. Now that you've linked your audio interface, how do you create a project? I mean, how do you record vocals? Let me show you how to introduce a beat, and from there we're gonna create recording track. So let me go for a beat. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me select this one. All you need to do is to drag and drop the beat over here like this, and guys, just hit OK. And as you can see, the beat is here. Now that we've introduced our beats, how do you create recording track? All you need to do is to right click here, then click add audio track. And guys, I want you to pay attention here. You can actually link your audio interface directly from here, or follow the first step that I showed you. So to link your audio interface, you can click here and select the audio interface, and also select the channel that you are recording from. If your audio interface comes with 2 microphone channels, make sure you select that particular channel that the mic is connected. I mean, mine is connected to the AutoTune Pro Analog 2 mono. All right, so I'm going to select that. Then the configuration, you can choose mono or stereo. For the sake of this video, we're going to record in mono. All right, then audio output, I'm gonna leave it like this, and that particular audio track you can give it a name. So I'm gonna call this one recording like this, then hit add track. So now you can see we created an add track here, or recording track over here. All right, super simple. So now that we've created the recording track, To add effect, you can click on this edit channel settings icon here. All right, and over here you can insert auto tunes. One thing I like about Cubase 14, you can actually search for that particular effect or plugin here. So we're gonna search auto tune. All right guys, and you can see, all right, and you can add more plugins or effects. Super simple like this. You can add EQ from here. All right, it's simple to use, something like this, and you can record your vocals. To create a group track, all you need to do is to right click over here and go to add group track. All right, simple like this. Over here, configuration, you can change it from mono to stereo depending on the plugin that you're gonna use. If you're gonna use stereo plugins, then you have to change this one to stereo. All right, then as I said earlier, you can rename that particular group. Let's call this one group track like this and hit add. And guys, you can see the group track had been added here, and we can link our recording track to this particular group track by clicking on the recording track, then clicking over here inspector, then just click routing, stereo routing, and select the group track like this. Super simple guys. And right from here you can record your vocals by hitting the record button. So now let me show you something that you can also do. If you wanna change the colors, all you need to do is to click on this particular wave file or the beat or the vocals, then click over here and change the color. All right, that's pretty simple like this. Close this one. I'm gonna record something. That's simple. All right, and we can change the color of this one. Click on that, head over to the select color, then guys give it a color. That's pretty simple. Super simple. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now that you know how to record your vocals in Cubase 14 Pro, I want you to watch the next video to know how to mix your vocals to sound like O'Malley in Cubase if you're a beginner. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.